In row 1, you can see header of data table. This is header row. Header shows information about each column. If I scroll down, I could not recognize this is first name or second name. If you have large worksheet, you can visible header in every page. You can freeze the first row to visible in every page. This makes easy to recognize data in a large worksheet. Scroll up. Active this cell. Press Ctrl Shift right arrow. In View tab, Windows Group, click Freeze Pans button. Then click Freeze Top Row. Now you can see below the header, this line shows header is frozen. Now scroll down, you can see header is visible in every page. You can freeze first column of data table to visible in every page. To unfreeze this row, click Freeze Pans button. Then click Unfreeze Pans. Scroll down. Now you can see top row is again invisible. In this way, you can freeze the top row or first column of the worksheet.